in this one spot, and over here I just saw I was sitting kind of relaxing, getting a little bit of cold water on my joints and, you know, washing off the day and then having some fun. And I saw out of my corner of my eye a little slither. I get hit in the face with these spider webs way too often. Ugh. Almost there. Almost there. I really wish I had my river shoes rather than just flip-flops. Not trip and fall and bust my tail. He's right up over here somewhere, right in that area. In this one spot. And over here I just saw I was sitting kind of relaxing, getting a little bit of cold water on my joints and, you know, washing off the day and then having some fun. And I saw out of my corner of my eye a little slither. And I wasn't sure what snake it was, so I took a second, but it's a rubber boa. And he's over in these bushes hanging out. He was over here, slithered and went up into this bush, and I think his little home is up there. We'll see. But check this out. So you see his tail right here. Little blunt end. You see that right there? He's like, don't touch me, bro. He's on this side. Where's he at? Where's he at? There he is. Let's get over here. There you are. There you are, buddy. Ah. What you doing? What you doing? He's like, don't bug me, man. We'll put you back here in a second. Where's your head at? There he is. There's his head. There you are. What's up, buddy? Here, let's pick you up. Come here. Come here. It's okay. It's okay. There you go. Let's pick you up. All right, gotcha. Gotcha, it's okay. I got you, bud. He's like, let me back down, bro. He's trying to get up to this branch, get in this tree. I'll put you up there. Hold on a second, hold on. You gotta say hi to your fans. Say hi to your fans. Whoa, hello, how are you? So this is a rubber boa. You can tell by their round, blunt face, their distinguishable skin and scales, I should say. And their super little blunt tail like this. Their tail looks a lot like their head, and that's for predators to not know which one to bite. Very docile, very kind little creature. Make for great pets if you have the ability to do it. And obviously love the heat. As you can tell, he's wrapping around my hand, enjoying the heat from my hand. Hey, little guy. Oh yeah. If you're afraid of snakes, you're most likely going to run away from it. But if you see one, they are totally friendly. Be very patient, be very careful, be very kind to them. They're not mean snakes. And as you can see, he is super relaxed and just loving the warmth of my arm. And we'll put him back in the water here in a second where we found him. But this is a rubber boa. So if you see him in the wild, don't freak out. Make sure it is a rubber boa. Don't just go, oh look, a snake, and go grab it. Too cool. Let's go put him back in the bushes. All right, we're back where you belong, buddy. Let's see if you want to swim. You want to go over there? Go swim. Go swim. There we go. Back to it. Yeah, right to your home. Good job, bud. Yep, he's gonna start making his way across again to his other spot where I saw him come from. Watch, he's gonna take off. Get it, buddy. Get it. And into what looks to be his home again, safe and sound. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you next time. Don't forget that like button, subscribe, and yeah, see you soon. How many of you guys trust your life on stupid little things like this sometimes? You're like, oh, this will be a good anchor so I don't fall into the drink. Yeah, I do it all the time, and it's probably not the smartest thing in the world. Don't fall. Don't fall. Don't slip. Don't fall. Oh, you're still watching? Thank you. Most people leave at the very end. So, added benefit for those who are staying behind to listen. You see that. Very similar flavor to blueberries. And they have a little bit of a nut flavor behind them as well. These guys are delicious. Let me pick this guy off. Oh, come here. Come here. Oh yeah, and nutritious. They're best to be cooked and put into pies and pancakes and muffins, whatever you want to make, but as you can see here, I'm in no shortage of them near my camp spot. Yes, sir. Thanks for watching, guys. Later.